Hello, I'm Amar Aizad and I've been studying robotics for the past few years, and today I'm going to demonstrate you the Raspberry Pi system. So here we have the Raspberry Pi. It's actually, what it is actually a small computer, and it has this, it's actually for development purposes, and also it's very useful in robotics. This is also, besides Raspberry Pi, there's also things like Arduino and Parallax in our class. So today we have this simple program right here, and what this program do is that it controls the LEDs on the LEDs that are connected to the Raspberry Pi system. So you can see that I already did the coding. So you can see the LEDs over there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Raspberry Pi system. I'm going to be using the keyboard to actually run the program. So to run the program, we will type on python led.py, and then you can see the LED. It will be illuminating for about 8 seconds. Alright, so that will be 8 seconds, and I can also change the coding of the program. For example, we use the nano command to edit the program, and you can see here this is like the import and the set mode and the set warnings. And what we want to show you is that the time slip. Now the time slip shows that how many seconds till the LED will turn off. So it will become, for example, I want to change it to 3 seconds. So we're going to save that. Yes. And we're going to run the program again. So for 3 seconds, it will shut down. So that's all for this program, and I also want to talk about what other uses for this Raspberry Pi. For example, I have this robot over here with a camera. So what this camera does is that we can actually program it to have image processing. So for example, like this robot will move around and then will take pictures, and this picture will be transmitted over the Raspberry Pi, and you can do a lot of things like interpreting text or anything that can maybe run a program or do something. And there's a lot more. It's not just about image processing, it's also voice recognition processing, and it's all possible when you're using the Raspberry Pi. And this is another advantage of the Raspberry Pi over the Arduino, because the Raspberry Pi can actually do more, because they actually have, you can have an actual operating system like on a desktop or a laptop like you use, like the Windows and Mac, but except that it's on this very small footprint of the computer, and you can do a whole lot more, like doing embedded systems and robotics. And that's all for now.